Hello, creators! Today we're bringing you a Chromox video tutorial featuring two functions, text to video and image to video. Let's start. Let's enter the Chromox website, click Sign In to access the registration page. Here, I signed in with a Google account. Fill in your username and password, then click Next to complete the registration. Now, you can see that the top right corner shows the login status. Find the navigation bar to access the dashboard. Chromox offers creators 150 free tokens every day for you to generate videos. We claim tokens. You can see your token count here. And now we can find public channels on the sidebar. Creators can watch the public videos generated on the playground page. If you enjoy this video, you can like this video to support the author and play Remix with the prompt. Click Remix. Now we are in the Remix channel, where we can paste the prompt we just copied. You can make changes to the prompt if you have any new ideas, then simply send them. This is how the text to video function works. Now let's check these results. These video effects are quite amazing. If there are some ideas we'd rather keep to ourselves, let's come to the private channel and generate videos. Let's now give the image to video a try. When we hover over the image icon, we'll see requirements for uploading an image. Click the upload button, open an image we like, upload it, and send. Now we can check the effects. You can add it to your assets for easy access, download, and share with others. After adding it to the asset, return to the home page. Click on Asset in the navigation bar, and we'll find the videos we just added. Currently, the video is private. You can click the More icon to change their status to public. Public videos will be displayed in the community, allowing more people to see your creations. Transforming ideas into visual stories.